Hey guys, so this video is a summary of all the chords in beginners level 1. First chord, E major. Second finger, 2nd fret A string. Third finger, 2nd fret D string. First finger, 1st fret G string. Just remember, try get all the notes to ring clean. Let them ring clean, no fret buzz. Alright, next one, A major. First finger, 2nd fret D. Second finger, 2nd fret G. Third finger, 2nd fret B. And play from the A string down. If you accidentally play the low E string, it's okay, but theoretically correct to play from the A string. Make sure none of the notes have any fret buzz. D major. First finger, 2nd fret G string. Third finger, 3rd fret B string. And second finger, 2nd fret high E string. Play from the D string down. If you hit the A string, it's okay too. Don't play the low E string, it won't sound good. Preferably play from the D string down though. Make sure none of the notes have any fret buzz. Alright, next chord, G major. Second finger, 3rd fret low E string. First finger, 2nd fret A string. And third finger, 3rd fret high E string. Play from the low E string down. C major. Third finger, 3rd fret A string. Second finger, 2nd fret D string. You play the open G string. First finger, 1st fret B string. And then the open high E string. Usually played from the A string down, but if you hit the open low E string, that's okay. But usually we play from the A string down. Alright, now to the minor chords, E minor. Second finger, 2nd fret A string. Third finger, 2nd fret D string. Play from the low E string down. A minor. Second finger, 2nd fret D, third finger, 2nd fret G, and first finger, 1st fret B. Play from the A string down. If you accidentally hit the low E string, or if you choose to hit the low E string, that's okay. But we play from the A string down. Theoretically correct to play from the A string down. Okay, D minor. 2nd finger, 2nd fret G, 3rd finger, 3rd fret B, 1st finger, 1st fret high E. Play from the D string down. You can play the A string. Avoid the low E string. Preferably from the D string down. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please check out GuitaRealm.com if you want a one-on-one lesson with me. Also remember to subscribe and like. Have a good one.